नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, श्रेणीश नर्सिंग क्लासेसमध्ये तुम्हा सर्वांचे मनपूर्वक अभिनंदन। आज आपण बघणार आहोत बायोकेमिस्ट्री अँड न्यूट्रिशन यामधील टॉपिक हिमोग्लोबिन मेटाबॉलिझम। बघूयात मेटाबॉलिझम। द सम टोटल ऑफ बायोकेमिकल रिएक्शन इनसाइड लिव्हिंग organism. It consists of anabolism and catabolism, where anabolism is conversion of small into large molecule called anabolism. Synthesis come under anabolism. Catabolism is the degradation in which there is a breakdown of large molecule into smaller molecules. Metabolism. Two types: anabolism, formation, catabolism, breakdown. Hemoglobin Hb. It is a conjugated protein. Protein is the primary component. Next type, why Hb is a conjugated protein. Means Hb is a conjugated protein because it consists of a basic protein, globin, and non-protein home. It is respiratory pigment, transporting protein. Next at Hb called pigment protein because it accept and emit light. Simple protein albumin, compound protein Hb and myoglobin, derived protein collagen or gelatin. Next at Hb because of hemoglobin it gives red color to blood. Hb structure: 1 molecule of Hb, 4 hem plus 4 globin. 1 hem is equal to ferrous on Fe2 plus protoporphyrin 1x. Protoporphyrin I9 is equal to it is a tetrapyrrole, 4 pyrrole rings. 1 molecules of Fe2 plus binds with 1 molecules of oxygen. 1 hemoglobin carries 4 molecules of oxygen. Normal concentration of Hb in male 1.2 gram to 30 gram per 100 ml. In female 1.1 gram to 12 gram per 100 ml. Types of Hb. HbA adult, alpha 2 beta 2, globin chain composition. HbF fetal, alpha 2 Y2, HbA2 minor adult, Hb alpha 2 delta 2. Next at HbA1c adult home gets with glucose, alpha 2 beta 2. Next at breakdown of Hb. Spleen, liver and bone marrow are the place where degradation occurs. Human RBC is biconcave, is enucleated. Next side, fragile senile RBCs is regulated 120 days and then it goes to the macrophage, prevent reticuloendothelial cyst, macrophage of spleen. Spleen is blood bank and graveyard for RBC. Macrophage of liver, Kupffer cells, phagocytes. Macrophage less than 8 micrometer and microphage greater than 8 micrometer. Macrophage are modified monocyte and neutrophil are modified macrophage. Macrophage means less than and microphage means greater than. RBC is phagocytosed by macrophage. RBC Hb hem plus globin. Hem Fe2 plus pyrotroporphyrin 9. Third, protoporphyrin is converted in bilirubin. Biliverdin converted bilirubin. Each hemoglobin is a complex protein which has a quaternary structure and contains iron. There are 4 subunits in the hemoglobin molecules to beta units. अशाच नवनवीन व्हिडिओ पाहण्यासाठी श्रेणीश नर्सिंग क्लासेसला सबस्क्राईब करा आणि बेल आयकॉनवरती क्लिक करायला विसरू नका। धन्यवाद।